Hey guys, I'm at IKEA again, and last time we were looking at all the stuff that they had. Now I have this cake, whatever thing, with chocolate stuff on it. I did not eat all that, okay? I did not. Other people here are here with me, okay? So, I've never tried this before, so I don't know how it is. I have no idea what's inside. It looks like cream cheese or something. Is that ice cream? I don't think it's ice cream. It doesn't. It's whipped cream. The yellow kind of tastes weird, so I like the whipped cream. There's a lot of. There's more on the bottom. It looks like bread with jelly. It's like bread with jelly. It is good. I can't pick this up. That's how it all looks. It looks gross, but it actually does taste good. It's good. If you had tried it, you would probably like it, okay? It's good. So, they put a lot of whipped cream. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of whipped cream. Oh, I missed it. That's so good. I haven't done a video in a long time, like I just said. So, this is the inside. It has, that's whipped cream. I don't know what that yellow stuff is, but it is good. And then it has like the strawberry stuff, and then it has the bread. So, the yellow stuff, it tastes good, and it looks like lemon kind of, but it doesn't taste like lemon, so it's not sour at all. Very sweet. So if I had to rate this a 10 out of, or if I had to rate this, I would give it probably 9 out of 10. It's pretty good. Okay, it's really good. So what's wrong? So you should probably come to IKEA and get this. It's really good. It's some sort of cake. What is it? Nobody knows. It's a mystery. So you should probably get it. It looks, so this is the inside. That's the inside, and then that's the outside. So it should look like that, and it has the chocolate out, or it has the chocolate on it. So it's really, really good. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and watch more of my videos. And I hope you like it. Bye.